Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I'm going to show you how to make a wood bead snowman wreath for your door for Christmas or winter. I'm going to use one of the wire wreath forms, just the plain wire, because I'm going to do the top part, the head of the snowman, with some wood beads, just using some wood bead garland from Dollar Tree. They also have these loose too, you can get into a package. I was trying to get a natural wood color that would match the pre-made ones that they also have at Dollar Tree. So the pre-made wood bead garland that you see there is already on a wire wreath form, and I picked that up at Dollar Tree ready-made. So this section's a little bit smaller, so I think that's going to be good to represent the head. Now, if you wanted to, you could do 3 parts of the snowman. I'm only going to do 2 because it's going to be pretty big anyway. Once I go ahead and get that all strung, I just glue the wire together. I also reinforce that with a little twine that I tied around. I'm going to use that same twine there from the Dollar Tree to tie the 2 wood bead wreaths together. So now we have the head of the snowman and the body of the snowman. Now it's just time to figure out like arms and a hat. I thought for a hat I could use a Dollar Tree wood ruler and some of their craft wood in the square shape. I love these wood rulers. All you have to do is remove the stickers, cut it down to size, and you have a perfect size piece of wood. Initially, I wanted to hang it with the snowman hat off to the side, but mechanically it wouldn't work very well, so I don't really use that hanger that you just saw me attach there. I do drill 2 holes in the wood piece from the Dollar Tree to attach that to the snowman, and I'm going to do another one right here in the center, and that's how I'm going to hang it. So I just removed the twine that you saw me tie on the top of the snowman there. So it's just a matter of putting this all together. Just mechanically, it works better if the snowman hat is on straight, not tilted, since we're going to use this as part of the hanger. I like the fact that it's raw wood. I'm just going to try to find the center of my head here and use some twine to tie that on between the wood beads, making sure that it's straight. You might need to count the beads to get it perfect. That is what I did. And then just make sure that it is tied off really well here, because this is going to be part of the hanger. And if you're going to hang it on a door like I did, it's going to kind of like, flap around when you open and shut the door. Then I attach more twine to that top hole to make the hanger up there. I'm going to use the raw wood from the ruler, gluing it bevel side down using some hot glue there to form the snowman hat. Now it's time to decorate this little snowman. For the arms, I'm using some of the Dollar Tree greenery. It's already wired, so I'm going to take advantage of that. I just cut it off of a bunch and made one of those a snowman arm. And I'm going to do the same thing here on the other side, just wiring between the wood beads. Really easy, little snowman arms. And then to decorate like the neck, you could do a scarf, but I wanted to do greenery for that too. So I picked up this beautiful greenery from the Dollar Tree. It's kind of like a velvety lamb's ear, but also like a Christmas greenery. So pretty. And the colors really match that greenery I used for the arms. I just cut it into smaller pieces, and I'm going to put it together piece by piece here to decorate the neck. And, it's going to give a little bit of a greenery effect to this wreath. But again, I'm trying to keep it really simple. I was going for a Scandinavian Christmas vibes with this one, with the greenery and the raw wood. Nothing bright and flashy like red or green or anything like that. Just very neutral. And I just keep adding pieces to this until I'm happy with it. I like these like flatter leaves, but then I also like the little pieces of greenery that I can add in there. And I just add more until I'm happy with it. I think that looks so cute. It's so simple. It was so easy. I love the raw wood and the greenery together. I hope you love it too. If you'd like more Christmas or winter Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting and Merry Christmas.